Oh my goodness, my best friend. Sugnarg. So, after the riveting success of my Fossil Fighters Let's Play / Nuzlocke challenge, I decided I'm going to play Pokemon Platinum in a similar Nuzlocke fashion, but to add a little spice to it, I randomized it. And obviously I'm going to keep going on the same rando until I win, which could take a while. Alright, let's see who our starters are. Starly, Magby, Togepi. This is, interesting, because Togepi I don't think gets an offensive move, but Starly I think is just the way to go here. Unfortunate that it's just the only not baby Pokemon. You can't start with a baby, you just get rolled. It's a good thing that opposing trainers are randomized, because fighting can work with only a Starly as my, best guy would be kind of a pain. So let's see if he has Magby or Togepi. I think Magby knows Smog, so I might just lose this battle if he doesn't. Go here, Sugnarg. Okay, that's a Pokemon I would rather have, personally. But I got Girl Starly. Look, it's a blue-haired man. We all love and know and respect blue-haired men. I do like Starly in the Star Raptor. Hoppip! Hoppip, my beloved. What should I name my good pal, my good bud, my good lady, Starly? Well, she turns into Star Raptor, and we all know who our favorite raptor is. Another normal flying type. Nitrous and Vitasaur. If I get one more flying type Pokemon, I'm going to be a little concerned. Oh, this is a capture. I gotta steal this boy. Good, it is Swinub. I like me a Swinub every now and again. I don't know why every Pokemon's a girl. Cool. I don't know how much pork is on a charcuterie board, but her name is Charcutie. Charcutie. Alright, this is another encounter. Is everything in the minor key? Is that what's going on? What? Curlia? Are you joking all over me? Another iconic girl Pokemon? Why are there so many? Why is everything a girl? I don't trust this. Oh, well that's no fun. Well, no Curlia for little old me. Oh wait, this man here is the most important man you'll ever see. Because you can get a fishing rod, which gets you 2 extra encounters before you even leave Jubilife City. Shed Shell. You just really gotta believe. Look at that. Works every time. Oh, a C-Dot. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. There we go. We caught one female C-Dot. Alscoon's not bad. Mostly just because it becomes a Silcoon. Interesting. I guess this is a good time as any to find that. But like, I can't think of a Pokemon other than Vigoroth that would want to evolve. Oh, this is my encounter. Iconic. Everyone remembers 7-Yard's iconic skitty. Oh. That's good. Well, his Nummel's gone, but ironically, ooh. Take that back. That hurt like a mother. Alright, this has earned us another encounter. Another normal flying type. Exquisite. Alright, well, Ladybug. Did I miss my tackle? Last Pokeball, fingers crossed. Ladybug. Alright, we get an encounter here. See Rourke, talk to Rourke. Root Fossil? Unfortunately, you can't revive fossils until you get the Diggers, the Explorer's Kit. But that is good. That's going to count as Grovyle? Oh, Grovyle! My dude! You're the Onyx encounter. Oh, I love you, Grovyle. You're my best friend in the world. Oh my god, we have a Grovyle. Grovyle the guy. His name should be Mystery Dungeon. I think I'm actually gonna call him. His name is Mystery Justin. Iconic Mystery Justin. We don't need Spearow and Starly to be able to. I guess it wouldn't hurt. Good. Another normal flying type. Exactly what I wanted. Oh shit. I thought I had tackle. You know, there's no excuse for that. I just clearly didn't care about Chatbot. Oh, goodness my gracious. That's a Lunatone. So here's a fun fact about me. I am unbelievably impatient when it comes to grinding Pokemon. So I'm going to take on the first 2 trainers in this gym. Try to get a feel for it. And then if I'm feeling lucky, I'll be able to take on Rourke. Needless to say, not feeling lucky. However, okay. Holy wow. That's a lot of XP for a Beniri. Alright, yep, not feeling lucky. I'm gonna go get some of my guys up to level 12, 13. I don't want to go in with anybody level 10. Alright, so I finished up grinding. As you can see, Nitrous the Starly has evolved into Staravia, and I got Smothman into a Smoth, so... And we're gonna kick Rourke's ass. That's 3 Mon, 12, 12, 14. This one is Bug's Poison, but we drew out his potion, so we're good there. Switch into just flying type and just knock him with 1 peck. Not gonna knock, okay. Unfortunately, we screwed around with Charcuterie so much that we're probably not gonna be able to actually use him or against anybody else. Dunsparce, normal type. We're just gonna leave Bidazor in. Probably should have went with Growl just to, growl things. Alright, I'm just not going to sleep, so we're just gonna switch. Second potion. Rage, okay. Rage doesn't matter because you died. Another Skorupi. Ace is also a Skorupi. Interesting. Alright, that's Leader Rourke, everybody. And our beloved Nicious Sister Ravia has hit level 15. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit me up with a like and subscribe, and smash the subscribe and the like button and the subscribe, and share it to 3 friends. Tell everybody that your best friend Jacob Juice has got the coal badge. But for real, thanks for watching. I'm going to try to keep these episodes somewhat short and consistent, because I'm working on a little bit of a bigger project in between. See you guys next time.